Hey, so in this video I want to give you a quick breakdown on how we are using make.com to push interested prospects from Smartlead onto Slack. So previously this was a bit of a pain because Smartlead didn't have global webhooks, but now with global webhooks you can just set up one global webhook and it'll work for every active campaign you have in your Smartlead account. Previously you had to set it up on a client level or on a campaign level, which was pretty tedious work because if you're an agency owner, you know you're probably running 50-60 different campaigns at the same time, so you had to set up individually for all of these campaigns. Now with the latest update, that's not an issue anymore. You can just set up one webhook and you can filter clients out based on the campaign name or the tag name that you've assigned to each one. Now this is how it works. Let me just create a new webhook. Now you can set the webhook name as, let's say, interested replies. You'll get this webhook URL from Make, and then you set it on a user level, so this webhook will be applied to all the unmapped campaigns. And then event type, we set it to lead category updated, so as soon as we update the lead category to positive, the lead gets pushed onto Slack and you're good to go. So once you set it as positive, you just click on add, and you'll, by the way, have to add a webhook URL. I'll not be doing it because I already have one ready. Now let me go to let me go to make.com and show you how the automation works. So here, as a test case, we've just set it up for 3 of our clients. Automation guys, looking at this, this is probably a more efficient way of setting up this automation. If yes, drop it in the comments below. I'm not sure, but this is how our automation works. So as soon as this webhook fires, we have a router here, and this will segregate these replies based on the campaign name. So every campaign that we launch has the client's company name or an abbreviation of the company name. So for example, let me take this. So here the private channel is Scientific Animations Reply. These are the details that we are pushing: lead name, lead email, website, and LinkedIn. And if you go to the filter, the campaign name starts with SA. So all of the campaigns we launch for this particular client starts with the letters SNA. So every time it gets a reply that's from a campaign starting with SA, it gets forwarded onto that. And similarly, we have set it up for other clients. So I'll be showing you how it would look like if I set one for myself. So just click on Slack, create message, click on create message, and here I will condition. So the campaign name would be, scroll down, yeah, campaign name would contain IGENX, because every campaign that we internally launch will have this particular word in it. So then you just click on OK, and here channel, select from list. It's not a public, perhaps it is, yeah, it's a general channel. And now text, we'll just copy whatever we have here, Control C, go back, Control V, and that's all we need. I think we're good to go. So I'm running this now. Let me just show you how it looks like on Slack. So let me go back to, so I'm in my Smartlead account. Now as soon as I change the lead category to positive, so again, as you can see, this particular campaign has the keyword IGENX. So as soon as I change the category to positive, I should see all of this leads details on my Slack channel. So let me change it to positive. So now let me go to my Slack and show you how it looks. Okay, so now cool. So now I'm on my Slack channel. So this is the general chat. Now here you don't see the LinkedIn URL because while pushing this particular lead onto Smartlead, we didn't map the LinkedIn URL, but if you do that, you'll be able to see the LinkedIn URL of that person, lead name, lead email, website details, and LinkedIn ID. So you can play around with this. I'll just show you the details that you can pull from Smartlead. You can decide whatever you want to push onto Slack. So here are the details that you can push onto Slack. I have my display here so that I don't expose my API key, but you get to push the timestamp, category, email, ID, the campaign, history, last reply. So you can even push, let's say you already have a full-blown conversation with a particular lead. You can forward the entire email thread onto Slack. So you just select history and you push the entire you get to push the entire thread. So these are the details that you can do, automate and push it onto Slack. Again, play around with this. Helps you save a lot of time and easier to keep a track of your replies, and it's easier on the client's end also. So if you're not white labeling Smartlead and if you're not giving them the client logins, this is a good way for them to track the leads that they're getting on a daily basis. So that's about it. Have a good day.